Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this very video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to use 6 different apps which you can use in making online transactions for free. All you just need to do is to stick to the very end of this video so you don't miss any single part. So for those of you who are into arbitrage, so this video is for you. And if you do any business online and you're looking for a way to receive payment online at ease and make transfers without getting charged from different banks and all of that, using this particular app I'm going to be sharing you, or bank app I'm going to be sharing with you, will help you in order for you to make the best use of whatever you are doing online. If this is what you want to see, stick to the very end so you don't miss any single. So if you are joining for the first time, my name is Kelechi again. Frankly, all I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategy. Once they work, I come here, I share them with you. You also get the same result. All you just need to do right now is to click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and also don't forget to give this video a like so that more people can be able to see this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I love you, and I promise to continue to give you educative content and all of that. So without wasting much time, let me take you down to my phone where I'll be able to show you the different app in which you can be able to use in order for you to make different transactions at ease without getting charged and all of that.
So guys, the very first app I'll be talking about is KUDA Bank. KUDA Bank is a very sweet app, very nice, which allows you to be able to make transactions at ease without wasting much time. You can receive your bank transfers at ease without getting afraid and all of that. One sweet part of KUDA Microfinance Bank is that it gives you the opportunity to make 25 free transfer every single month, and you don't need to start receiving debit alerts and all of that whenever you do transaction. This always helps, especially for those of you who do online transactions and all of that. So another thing you need to understand that KUDA Microfinance Bank also allows you to open an online bank for yourself, and you don't need to start going to one bank or the other, looking for maintenance, looking for what happened to your account and all of that. You can just stay at the comfort of your home, upload it, put in the document. You will have the opportunity to start making use of this particular bank app. So this app allows you to do whatever transaction you want to do for free. So every single month you have free transactions to make online and all of that. This is the #1 banking app I always recommend for any of you who are doing online transaction, whether arbitrage or you do online payment and all of that. They also have a card. You can also apply for the card and use it for online transaction and all of that. And the second bank app I will also be recommending for you to use to do online transaction is this app which is known as Cheaper Cash. Cheaper Cash also allows you to make whatever transaction you want to make online as well. And if you look at the about section of this particular app, Cheaper Cash is available in many African countries and all of that. So Cheaper Cash is connecting Africa and many other countries together and allows you to do online transaction. And you can see here they say no fee money transfer. So once you make a transfer online, you don't need to be charged, and also you can be able to move money between Cheaper Cash and any other bank or mobile money account absolutely for free. All you just need to do is to install, get started, and then you put in all your documents that are required and verify your account so that you can be able to start making use of this app to make transfer and all of that. So you can use it to make online payments and also receive payments and all of that. So if you are one of those people who are looking for arbitrage system to do, this app can also help you to do some online arbitrage and all of that. The next app I'll be talking about is Standard Chartered Bank app. So this Standard Chartered Bank app also is another app that can be able to help you to do whatever transaction you want to do. Now this Standard Chartered Bank, you can be able to open it within 5 minutes depending on how fast you are. You can also upgrade your account so that you can be able to have different transaction limit and all of that. Now, one of the benefits of Standard Chartered Bank is that you have 0 SMS charge fee. Whenever you want to withdraw from your account, you don't need to be charged, and you have 0 cash withdrawal from any third-party ATM card. That is to say, if you are not using the Standard Chartered Bank to withdraw with your ATM card, you will not be charged for that. And whenever you want to make bank transfer and to your other local banks, you can also do that for free. You will not be charged. So this bank can also help you if you are doing arbitrage, in order for you to save some costs and all of it. You can be able to get some profit when you are doing your transaction. Another app I'll be talking about is PalmPay transfer app. This PalmPay app also allows you to make transaction at ease. Number one thing that you need to understand is that PalmPay is an app that helps you to make online transactions and all of that. In fact, it won't charge you for using their services, and you also get reward when you earn PalmPay cash and all of that. And you can also get reward when you earn PalmPay point cashback and coupons for making purchases. So when you make purchases, you have the ability to earn from it too, and you can also transfer money to other PalmPay wallet and other banks that you want at the best rate in the market, and you don't need to be charged more. Now when you want to make deposit or withdrawal, it's all free, and you can also earn rewards from inviting individuals to use this particular app and all of that. So all you just need to do is to understand that if you are looking for cheaper way in which you can be able to make transfer or transaction online, this app I just mentioned can also help you. I'm able to show you the KUDA bank, show you the cheaper cash, the standard charter bank, and this PalmPay. These apps are nice for you to be able to use it to do arbitrage and all of that. So if you are looking for a way to cut costs so that you will not be able to be charged much when you are making online transactions, using these banks can be able to help you. And the number 5 bank I'll be talking about is Ravan. This Ravan is known as the People's Bank, and the reason why it's known as the People's Bank is that they have people in mind as they have been able to create this particular bank. And one thing that you need to understand is that whenever you make transfers with this bank to any other bank, it is all for free. So you have free transfer to any bank. You have more freedom in ideas when it comes to zero maintenance calls, debit alert, and all of that. You don't need to start being afraid that they will debit you for your maintenance and all of that, like many Nigerian banks do. And they also help you to make payment made easy for you. You can also save and also get interest rate when you switch to the easy way. You can also save and invest like a boss when you make use of this particular Raven app. And one good news with this Raven Bank is that their virtual and physical card is coming soon, and everyone is being alerted that they should wait for it. So once this particular app launches this their virtual card, a lot of people will go into it so that they can be able to use it for arbitrage and all of that. So if you want to make transaction online, this app is one app you can be able to use to make your transaction at ease without getting charged and all of that. So in order for you to save costs, you can also use this Raven app in order for you to get started. And the last one I'll be talking about is this Fair Money banking app. Well, Fair Money is a loan app, and it can also allow you to do other transactions at ease when you want to make use of it. This Fair Money app gives you the opportunity to request for card in which you want to use for your transactions. This app gives you the opportunity to request for a bank account in which you can be able to use in receiving money from anyone in Nigeria, and it can also allow you to add money to your account, send money to any other bank you want for free, and also allow you to apply for loan without collecting or receiving instantly. You can also use this particular Fair Money app or bank app to make payment online for bills and whatever thing you want to do. And the one sweet part of it is that you can enjoy discount airtime and bill payments, and you can enjoy daily interest rate when you save with Fair Money savings, and you can get your withdrawal for free. So one thing is that this particular app is a loan app, but if you decide to use it as your mobile app or mobile banking app in which you want to use for transaction, that is okay by you. But the other ones, the other 5 I just mentioned are good apps in which you can be able to get started, especially the number 1, which is the KUDA, in which you can be able to use for your transaction. And the bonus package I have for you guys is the OPay app, in which it can give you the opportunity to make your online transaction. OPay, I've been using it for a very long time now. It also gives you the opportunity to have a bank account for yourself. You can also use it to do other transactions in which you want. OPay gives you the opportunity to make payment to whatever platform you want, and you have the opportunity to make free transfers and transaction bonuses all for free. OPay gives you the opportunity to create an account for yourself at ease. You don't need much. All you just need is your phone number, your NIN, BVN, and other national means in which they can use in verifying you so that you can start enjoying it, especially for those of you who are into businesses, who want to use it for businesses or arbitrage. This app can also help you to get the best result, and you start making a lot of money for yourself. One thing is to make transactions online, another thing is to see that you get result out of the transaction you are using. All of these app I just mentioned, especially the number one and the number two and the number three, they are all good apps in which you can be able to use. While the Palm Play and the Raven app I just mentioned, they can also help you to get the result you're looking for. You can also use all of these apps for transactions when it comes to arbitrage and all of it. It's not right when someone wants to make transaction when it comes to arbitrage and you are seeing different charges even from your bank and all of that. So this app I just mentioned, or this banking app I just mentioned, can help you to get a result that you're looking for without getting a lot of charges and all of that. All you just need to do is to sign up using them and then get started and get the result that you're looking for. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification, and if you want to see how you can be able to use one of these apps in doing arbitrage, go to the comment section, type arbitrage, so that I can be able to be motivated to do this video and show you how to earn from it. See you on my next video. Stay safe. I love you guys. Peace.